talk, we're going to be taking a look at the EPDBE Moldino end mill by Mitsubishi Hitachi Tool Engineering. Here at Apex Machinery Supply Inc., we are happy to stand behind this product and its cutting-edge technology. The EPDBE is a high-precision ball end mill used for deep machining. EPDBE stands for Epoch Series Ball End Mill and is suitable for cutting deep ribs in slots and molds, as well as machining in deep corners and achieving precision cuts that were once only achievable by EDM. Some of the key features about this end mill include that it has an improved compound neck for reduced chatter and increased strength, allowing for less vibration. It also has a new flute shape that increases resistance to breakage, and it is available in an ATH and PM coating that provide maximum efficiency in tool life. When it comes to ordering the size of the ball end mill, it's important to know the number of flutes, the diameter, reach, and coating. Let's take a look into how to read this on a given end mill. For example, EPDBE 2003-1 stands for a ball end mill with 2 flutes, a 0.3 millimeter diameter, a 1.0 millimeter reach, and an ATH coating. You might be wondering what the different coatings are suitable for. ATH stands for Advanced TH, meaning improvements made to the titanium silicone nitride. This coating offers a multi-layer structure providing super hardness, super oxidation resistance, and boasts the highest hardness and heat resistance currently on the market. ATH coating is good for hardened steels. On the other hand, the PN coating stands for aluminum chrome nitride, and this coating provides high hardness, super oxidation resistance, and high adhesion. PN coating is good for common steels such as 300 and 400 soft and hardened stainless. I hope you enjoyed learning about EPDBE and mills today, and I'm Natalie, and thanks for tuning in to Shop Talk.